What is up, folks? This is Andrew with MyWatchAddiction.com, and today we have another Kickstarter unboxing video. Today we're going to be taking a look at another watch from OVD Watches. Now, in full disclosure, this watch has been sitting on my shelf for probably 6 or 8 months now. It's the original Kickstarter campaign that I participated in from OVD Watches. Incidentally, this is also the Kickstarter campaign which got me interested in OVD watches and what spurred me to be the backer of that Titanic X from OVD Watches that I reviewed not too long ago, probably a couple of months ago now. The Titanic X is their most recent one. The VF-84 degrees is the original Kickstarter campaign that I participated in, and unfortunately has been sitting on my shelf for entirely too long. So we're going to tear into this guy, take a look at it today, get it into the collection, get it on my wrist so that I can start enjoying this watch. Now, if you guys have not seen my videos before, down there in the right-hand corner of the screen is that subscribe button. Go ahead and smash that guy if you want to follow us in the future. Also, if you want to receive notifications whenever I drop a new video, go ahead and smash that chime button, bell as well, so you'll receive some notifications. Anyway, guys, let's tear into this Swiss automatic pilot watch. So, as you guys can see, I've already removed this watch from the outer box. I did that back when I first received it in. This campaign actually had a survey for it that was sent in October of 2017. So this watch shipped in January of 2018. So this watch, since this campaign happened, it's been well over a year. So this guy has been long overdue to take a look at with you guys. Pretty cool watch case, very textured, feels like a low grade or light metal on this. And then if we open this guy up, there is the VF-84 degrees. This is a automatic pilot watch from OVD Watches. Now, if we take a look here real quick, what came with it, we have the OVD watch manual, which shows function. We have a actual metal warranty card. Now, you can see the warranty information filled out on the back there. Then it looks like we have some extra quick release pins. My guess would be that is to be used with the leather NATO strap that this watch came with. But this is why we are here. Here is the automatic pilot watch from OVD Watches. Now let me get the plastic off this, guys, and we will zoom in and take a closer look. So as we zoom in and take a closer look at this VF-84 degrees from OVD Watches, you guys can probably guess what immediately caught my attention on this watch. That is an extremely busy design for the front of this pilot watch. Now you can see the second-hand indicators is that rotating disc right there in the center. We have the date display at that 6 o'clock position. You also see the Punisher logo right there off at that 9 o'clock position. Now the crowns here, this guy does have an internal rotating bezel, and then this guy does offer hacking ability and manual wind. Now the way it does that is because this watch is actually rocking a Swiss ETA 2824-2 movement. Swiss ETA 2824 movement in this watch. The case diameter on this guy is 44 millimeters with a case thickness of 13.8 millimeters. Now, this crazy horse leather strap that it comes with is 22 millimeters at the lug. And one thing that's really cool, OVD Watches does really good at their attention to detail. You can see, if I've got it upside down there, I can't tell. You can see the plane etched into that clasp, which is, I think, just a really neat design feature. If we look also at this leather strap, we do have that logo right there at the top. Really sharp. It looks like this strap is going to take a little bit to work in, but it looks very, very well made, high quality. You can see on the back of this watch, the case back is pretty slick too. Now, incidentally, this is the Skull Edition. So you see those almost Punisher type skulls all over this watch. Also on the back of that, you can see this guy is limited edition. This watch is 60 of 1,000 made in this color combination. 60 of 1,000 made. Now, they did have a bunch of different color combinations, and I'll post up a link to my Kickstarter profile in the description section below. You can definitely go and check out this watch. They did have a whole bunch of different color combinations. I personally did not have a whole lot of stuff when I purchased this with yellow in it. Now, the thing that I think is really cool about this, besides the design, is the watch really, really wasn't that badly priced. I picked this guy up for about $442 with that Swiss ETA 2824 movement. Guys, I'm just really, really digging this watch. So far, this is the second OVD watch production that I've had, and I've been really, really pleased with both of them. So that was the VF-84 degrees from OVD Watches Skull Edition. Absolutely loving this watch. I think this is one badass watch that I am really, really happy I took part in their Kickstarter campaign. Incidentally, at the time that I aired this video, OVD Watches is coming out with a new watch that is, believe, again, probably at the time that I'm airing this video, is currently in the process of Kickstarter campaign. I'm going to post a link to their newest Kickstarter watch in the description section below, so definitely go ahead and check that out. But that watch that they've got coming up, out of this world, looks really, really neat also, so I'm definitely going to participate in that Kickstarter campaign. Again, between this Titanic X and this VF-84 degrees, I'm absolutely loving these OVD watches. Quite honestly, a lot of guys have an issue with where some of these watches are made. I personally just love the watch. I don't give a shit where it's made. I'm really, really digging the design of this watch, the fit and finish of these watches, as well as the overall aesthetics. So guys, definitely go and check them out if you like a little bit out there from a design concept standpoint. Check out these OVD watches, absolutely, for sure. Again, their Kickstarter campaigns, they maintain communication, they deliver on time and as promised. So it's one of those companies that I really don't have any fear backing on Kickstarter, just because I've had two very, very positive watches produced from them. Anyway, guys, if you want to see this watch on my wrist, don't forget you can follow us on Instagram at instagram/watchaddiction.us. Guys, post up in the comments section below. Let me know what you think of this watch. Like, dislike the video, whichever you choose. Absolutely, just leave a comment. Let me know what you liked, what you didn't like, so that we can get better going forward in the future. Anyway, guys, I am going to get out of here. I hope you guys have a great week, and we will see you soon.